So this is called the Water Cycle Exploration from Discovery Education. We are going, I'm going to get my fingers out of the way. We're going to listen to this. So,
water is all around us. There is water in seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, clouds, and even in the air. Did you know that water is always moving from one place to another? Let's explore and find out how this happens.
So what we need to do is we're looking at these things. Let's look at this one. It says clouds form when water vapor cools. That one says water falls from the clouds. That one says water collects in seas, lakes, and rivers. And then this one says liquid water changes to water vapor. So over here, what we have is the sun heats up the water. So what would go after that? Which one do you think? If you said this one, I think you're right. Let's go over, put it there. And that is right. All right, so after liquid water changes to water vapor, what is the next step? It's going up into the sky, turning into a gas, and as it goes up, it gets cooler and cooler and cooler, and it changes back to water, which starts to form what? Starts to form clouds. And then the wind pushes the clouds across, and the clouds get too heavy and rain falls back down, or some sort of precipitation. Let's see, is that next? Yeah, and then this one would go there.
That's right. The sun warms the bodies of water like rivers, lakes, and seas. This changes water to water vapor. Water vapor rises. It cools into drops of water or ice. This forms clouds. Clouds that get heavy fall as rain or ice precipitation. This collects in bodies of water on the surface of the earth. It also collects underground. The sun heats this water again. This completes the cycle.
All right, good. Let's go on to the next part. Now it says up here, what does it say? Click on each stage of the water cycle to explore it. So we're going to click on evaporation and watch what happens. You see it rising from the water there? That's the water turning into a gas. Wait, let's read this. I can't get the thing there. There we go.
Evaporation is the process where water gradually changes from a liquid to a gas. It is a stage in the water cycle. The sun warms the bodies of water. The water changes to water vapor. The gas rises up in the sky.
Alright, so let's get out of that one. Now we'll go to cloud formation. Watch what happens. See how the clouds are forming.
Water vapor cools as it rises in the sky. As it cools, it changes from a gas to a liquid. Clouds are made of tiny drops of liquid water. Clouds can also be made of ice crystals. This happens when the air temperature is below freezing. The water vapor cools to form ice crystals.
Alright, close that one up. Go on to precipitation. Watch. See how the clouds are dark? and it's fallen back to earth.
Precipitation is the water falling from the clouds. It can fall as rain or snow.
Or sleet or hail. They forgot those. And then water collection. See how it shows you all the different paths that the water can take.
Water that falls from the sky collects in bodies of water like seas, rivers, and lakes. Some of the water seeps below the ground.
And that is the water cycle exploration. Very good.